Now we are going to make daba chicken. For that, wash the chicken, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, salt. Let's refrigerate for 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds, 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes over. Now we are going to cook. Cook the chicken in a slow flame. Don't pour water. Cook it in slow flame. The chicken will release the water. You can see the chicken cooked well.